Hello, my dear listener. Welcome back to channel. I hope you are happy, healthy, and having a wonderful day. Today, we are going to learn an important topic: how to speak English with confidence at work. Many people know English. They understand English. They can read English. They can write English. But when they go to work, they become nervous. They are afraid to speak. They worry about making mistakes. They think, what if my English is not perfect? What if my coworkers laugh at me? What if I cannot answer? If you feel this way, don't worry. You are not alone. Many people have the same problem. The good news is this: you do not need perfect English. You only need clear English. Today, I will share simple tips that can help you speak English confidently at work. So, let's begin.
Why confidence is more important than perfect English. Many learners think they must know every grammar rule. That is not true. At work, people want to understand you. They do not expect perfect English. Imagine two people. The first person speaks perfect grammar, but they speak very softly. They hesitate all the time. The second person makes small grammar mistakes, but they speak clearly. They smile. They speak with confidence. Who is easier to understand? Of course, the second person. Confidence helps people trust you. Confidence helps people understand you. Remember this sentence: good communication is better than perfect grammar. Speak slowly. Many learners speak too fast. Why? Because they are nervous. When you speak too fast, you make more mistakes. Take your time. Speak slowly. Say one sentence. Pause. Then continue. Speaking slowly gives your brain time to think. It also helps other people understand you. Always remember, slow English is better than fast English. Use simple English.
Do not try to use difficult words. Simple words are powerful. For example, instead of saying, "I would like to inquire about this matter," simply say, "I have a question." Instead of saying, "I apologize for the inconvenience," say, "Sorry for the problem." Simple English sounds natural. Simple English is easy to understand. Even native speakers often use simple words. Learn common workplace sentences. At work, many conversations are similar. People greet each other. People ask questions. People share information. People solve problems. Learn these common sentences. Good morning. How are you today? Can you help me? I have a question. Could you explain this? I understand. I don't understand. Could you say that again? Please speak slowly. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's start. Let's finish this. I'll do it today. I'll send the email. I'll check it. No problem. These sentences are used every day. Practice them until they become natural. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Children make mistakes. Students make mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. If you never speak, you will never improve. Suppose you say, "He go to work." Someone may correct you. The correct sentence is, "He goes to work." Now you have learned something new. One mistake, one lesson, one step forward. Never be afraid of mistakes. Listen carefully. Good communication is not only speaking, it is also listening. When someone speaks, listen carefully. Do not think about your answer immediately. First, understand the speaker, then answer. Listening carefully helps you reply better. It also makes you feel more confident. Practice before meetings. Do you have a meeting tomorrow? Practice today. Think about possible questions. Prepare your answers. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak aloud. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Professional speakers also practice. Successful business people practice. Practice creates confidence. Think in English.
Many learners translate every sentence. This takes time. It also makes speaking difficult. Instead of translating, think in English. Look at your computer. Say, "This is my computer." Look at your desk. Say, "This is my desk." Look at your notebook. Say, "I need my notebook." Little by little, your brain will start thinking in English. Then speaking becomes easier. Learn work vocabulary. Every job has special words. If you work in an office, learn office words. Email, meeting, project, report, manager. Write these words in a notebook. Read them every day. Use them in sentences. The more words you know, the more confidently you will speak. Ask questions. Many learners stay quiet because they are afraid. Don't be afraid. If you don't understand, ask politely. You can say, "Could you explain that? Could you repeat that? Can you speak more slowly? Could you give an example?" These are excellent questions. People usually appreciate them. Smile while speaking. A smile changes everything. When you smile, you feel more relaxed. Other people also feel comfortable. You look friendly. You sound confident. A simple smile can make a big difference. Improve your pronunciation. You do not need a perfect accent. You only need clear pronunciation. Listen to English every day. Repeat after native speakers. Copy their pronunciation. Practice difficult words many times. Small improvements every day create big results. Read English aloud. Reading silently helps your eyes. Reading aloud helps your mouth. It trains your tongue. It improves your pronunciation. It builds confidence. Read for 10 minutes every day. Books, articles, emails, short stories, anything in English. The important thing is to speak aloud. Speak every day. Confidence comes from action, not from thinking. Speak every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Talk to yourself. Describe your room. Describe your work. Describe your plans. The more you speak, the more natural English becomes. Stay positive. Some days will be easy. Some days will be difficult. That is normal. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. Ask yourself, am I improving? If the answer is yes, keep going. Every small step matters. Daily practice routine. Here is a simple routine. Listen to English for 10 minutes. Read English for 10 minutes. Speak English for 10 minutes. Learn 5 new words. Use those words in sentences. Review yesterday's words. Repeat every day. After a few months, you will notice a big improvement. Remember, confidence does not come first. Practice comes first. Then confidence grows. Do not wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking today. Every conversation is practice. Every mistake is a lesson. Every new word is progress. Every day is another chance to improve. Believe in yourself. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep smiling. One day, you will speak English confidently at work, and people will enjoy talking with you. You can do it. I believe in you. Keep moving forward. Your English journey has already begun. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. If you are new to Smooth English Talks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future English lessons. Remember, English is not learned in one day. It is learned one sentence, one conversation, and one practice session at a time. Stay positive. Stay confident. Keep practicing every day. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care, keep smiling, and keep speaking English with confidence. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.